Hi, welcome to My Toons with Chalk. Today we're going to draw an African bush baby. So take your marker and follow along with me. First I'm going to draw a little nose. And you can just follow with me. A little triangle for a nose. And then we're going to draw the mouth. And I'm going to start here on the sides. And I'm going to make a mark. And I'm going to make another line here. And then underneath I will just do the chin area, and then for the little mouth, there we go. Let's draw some nostrils. So there's one, and there's the other one as well. And then from there I'm going to draw a line up, take it around and take it all the way back. There we go. And from here I'm going to start with the eyes. So there's a dark patch surrounding the eyes, and I'm going to draw that first. So I'm just going to draw a big line around there, and on this side I'm going to do the same as well. And I'm going to follow it around, and then I'm just going to connect it there. And then inside I'm going to draw the eye. First of all, I'm just going to draw two lines here. That would be the bottom of the eyes, and then I'm going to draw a line up. And you can do the same thing here as well, keep about the same, two lines up, and then I'm just going to continue with it and bring it back to that bottom side, and this side as well, all the way to the bottom. And now for the inner eye, you can draw a line on both sides, a little light reflection, and maybe make a smaller one below it. And on this side you're going to do the same thing, a light reflection and a smaller light reflection. And now I'm going to draw the pupils. So I'm going to take it all the way around. There we go. And on this side I'm going to do the same as well. And then I'm going to color the pupils in. Good, and next let's draw the side of the head. So I'm going to just draw a little line on both sides as well, like this, and then right on top I'm not going to let the lines touch each other, but I'll just draw a top line for the top of the head, and from there we're going to draw the ears. So I'm just going to draw a little line like this, and on this side I'm just going to draw another line there as well. And then about right here at the bottom I'll just draw a line over, and then here at the bottom I'm going to start, and I'm just going to connect this line as well. I think that would be the inside of the ear. And let's make a little bit of hair right there in the ear, and on this side I'm going to do the same thing as well. There we go. And now for the outside of the ear. So I'm just going to make a mark there and another mark there as well. And then I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw the outline of the ear. There we go. Take it around and touch the side of the eye as well there. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to take it all the way around, and I'm going to touch the side like that. And let's do the neck. So from here I'm going to draw a line, and I'm going to draw another line like this. This side I'm just going to draw a different line, maybe something like that. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do the front part of the chest. I'm going to bring it down, and I'm going to stop right there, because now I want to draw an arm. So let's start here, and you're just going to draw a little line like this, and you're going to stop. And right there I will draw the fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. And here at the bottom let's bring the arm back. You can just stop around about there. Let's do the other arm, a bit shorter. We're going to do this, and again we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. And I'm gonna draw, let's start with the back. I'm going to start here with the back. I'm going to bring it around, like that, and maybe I will just bring it up, take it like this, and then from here I'm going to draw the front of the leg and bring it over like that. There we go. And again the toes, so 1, 2, 3, 4 toes, the belly, here we go, right there, and the other leg, and I'm just going to do something like that, and again 4 toes, 1, 2, 3, 4 toes, and there we go. Now for the tail. Let's start here, and I'm just going to bring the tail all the way around, and maybe from here I'll just connect it. There we go. Just draw the tail nice and round, and I'll bring it all the way around to the back of the bush baby's body, like that. And there we go. And there's our little bush baby. You can look at my picture and you can try to color this bush baby in, and I'm sure it's going to look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.